So let's talk about the benefits of baking soda, how it can help you potentially to lose weight. Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. Today we're going to explore the benefits of baking soda for weight loss and for other remedies that can definitely help for better quality of life. Let's get started. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a household item relatively found cheap all around this country and even the world. We use it for various different things, baking, cleaning, but you can use it and drink it to help you better your life. There are various amount of things that bicarbonate can do, sodium bicarbonate can do. It can also help alkaline your body as well as optimize the pH of your body. Digestive benefits, there's so many benefits of baking soda. It can help with bloating, and a lot of times weight loss can occur if you've used it for 1 to 2 weeks. I wouldn't use it past like 3 to 4 weeks. That could be much. It neutralizes stomach acid, so if you have acid reflux or anything like that, that can help that as well. It eliminates odor, so if you use lemon and baking soda, it can really help if you have really bad smelling body odor. Baking soda paste, you can put baking soda in water, swish it around your mouth. You can put baking soda in water, put it on your face, and it can eliminate acne. It can detoxify kidneys, so if you're looking to detox your kidney, it can help that as well. It helps with joint pain, and it also has some anti-inflammatory benefits as well. So how to use baking soda. So you can use it in various different types of combos. Now, one of the most popular combos is taking a teaspoon and adding 8 to 12 ounces of water and put it in your water and then drink it as the day goes on. I'm telling you right now, make sure that a bathroom is close because it will eliminate if it is something that you're looking at. But a small amount won't make you go to the bathroom super fast. However, a big amount will definitely cause you to go to the bathroom. Another combo is lemon, baking soda, and water. That can help also with weight loss. And like I said before, lemon and baking soda will help with odor elimination. You put some baking soda on top of a sliced lemon, and that will help. And you rub that on your armpits, definitely will help. Water and baking soda combination, swish that in your mouth. That can help with odor and as well as mouth pain as well. So, although we love our natural remedies, a lot of times there are some risks that are involved. If you overconsume a certain amount of things, your electrolytes will become imbalanced. So, definitely consult someone that is a naturopath or a provider that specializes in stuff like that. But if you realize that, hey, maybe I'm going to the bathroom a little too much, I'm getting my stomach pains and digestive discomfort, you probably want to ease up on the sodium bicarbonate and probably just lay low, not drink as much. But if you guys have any questions, please put them down below, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.